Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. First, I need to put about b equals to this one and q equals to this one. So we have dx. That means we need to do first derivative of b with respect to y. So we just have only this one. First derivative of y square, we have 2y. This one we don't have y, so you got about 0. This one that is about the constant, you got about 0. We have dy. So we do first derivative of q with respect to s. So we have only s. First derivative of s, we have number 1. So we have negative 2y. We see that this one is not the same with this one. So in this situation, we need to use about integrating factor. So if we look carefully about this one, we have q, that's about negative 2xy, but this one we have 2y and negative 2y. So in this situation, I will choose about mu s, because I want to contain about this one in here. So we multiply both sides by mu s. And now we want this one equals to this one. So b in this situation, that is about this one. Q in this situation, that is about this one. And now we need to do first derivative. And you will have about 2y mu s. This one we will have negative 2y mu s and negative 2xy, and first derivative of mu s. Now we need to simplify. So I will put this one go to the left. This one we have 2y mu s. Next, we simplify by negative number 2y. So we have negative number 2. Next, we divide both sides by s and mu s. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So the integration of this one, we have number 2 ln of the absolute value of s. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of mu s. Next, I will put negative number 2 go inside about natural log in here. So we have mu s equals to s to the power of negative number 2. So we have 1 over s squared. So we go back in here. Now we change mu s into this one. So we simplify. Similar for this one. Next, I will put b equals to this one and q equals to this one. Now we have dx, so we have first derivative of b with respect to y, so we have 2y over s squared. Similar for the next one, that's about 4s, and we have 2y over s squared, and we see that this one is equals to this one, so that's about exact. Now we need to set up about the function fsy equals to the integration of this one plus 3sy. So the integration of number one, we have s. The integration of this one, we have negative y squared over s. The integration of 1 over s squared, we have negative 1 over s, and I will put about 3sy. Later that, we need to do first derivative of f with respect to y for the both sides. So this one we have y squared, so you got about 2y. This one we don't have y. Similar for this one, so you got about 0. So we just have only negative 2y over s squared. Oh sorry, s, and we have d over dy 3sy, and we know that this one in here equals to this one, and now we need to simplify for the both sides. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. And this one, that is about c. Now we return back to this one. The integration of this one, we have 3sy. And we know that 3sy equal to c, so we change this one into c. And we know that this one equals to fsy. Fsy equal to c, and we can simplify like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.